Hi everyone, it's Robin, and this is take 4. So I am going to do something I thought was going to be way easy, and it turned out to be really hard to film. And so I'm going to do my second tutorial. I'm going to mix green, black, and white together and make a really nice muted green color. And make sure that all of my acrylic paints stay clean and nice and thin with a body mister. So it's filled with water. You thin down all of your paints to the consistency of hair dye. And I am going to make so I am going to make a screaming witch here. So I did a nun, and I asked if anybody really wanted to see me do it with her mouth open, and a few of you guys did, and so I'm going to do something like this instead. It's fun, and because it didn't get shared a lot, so I was like, well, maybe everybody hated it, so I'm just going to do something else that's fun that I like. So I'm going to go like this and use that green, muted green color down and get it all. This is her forehead. It goes down into her nose. And I am just getting all of her placements. And once you get your placements in, then it's fun. So just getting that down, 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 down. See, I'm leaving myself a little bit of black area showing so that I can go back in there and I know where I have to work. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. And I'm going to keep these at, regular levels. This will be in the dark playlist or the scary nails playlist. It's fun. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm just going to put a little tiny chin on her. Maybe make her, we'll see what happens. So now I'm going in with some white, and I also have some strontium illuminate on my little ceramic tile. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is glowy green, and this is what I couldn't get a film of on the last tutorial, and I was just like, oh, forget it. It wasn't that big of a deal. I have no idea why someone's thumping right now. It's because I'm filming. Well, there's your music, everybody. Okay, so there's that. And I'm gonna go make her nose. And then, to show that she's scowling, you have to make her nose go into almost a point. And then you go up into her eyes. And into her eyes. Down to her nose. I love it. Okay. So this is just a fun Halloween design. And I kind of am going to apologize for not making more Halloween stuff this year. It was very hard. Well, it's still kind of very hard for me to heal, and I feel like I want to work so bad, and then part of me is just like I can't yet. So I'm just gonna do this for a while. And so far, everybody has been so supportive and so kind. So thank you. Not easy. There's that. Okay, so I'm going to, now I have an idea, so here we go. So now my witch is out. Now, if you go and you do the top part of the nail white, the part of the eyeball white, as if she's looking down. See how it looks like she's scared? I'm going to do something hilarious. Now, here is where, put some teeth. You can turn her into a vampire by making her vampire teeth. You can turn her into whatever you want to. I am going to go like this. Make her like she's screaming. But I want to make a crystal ball right here. As if she's looking into the future in horror. Now, every place that I go out of line and I can't make it perfect, I'm going to go back over with black so it's just perfect as I go. But this is such a funny, and it just came to my mind while I was painting. So I am going to just put something, let's see. Let's put something like some glitter of some sort. Let's just get, what do I have handy? I have this. Okay, so I have this handy. I'm going to put, and of course I'm going to clean her up as she goes, but I'm going to put a marker right here to mark where the crystal ball is going to be. And I might file down the end of this nail so it's all round. Okay. And it might be lost in translation a little bit, I don't know. Now, someone says, Robin, why do you use acetone to clean your brush every time? Doesn't it ruin it? And this is the reason right here. I'm glad that I got to do this. Because I'm painting over polish. And sometimes it just gets all mixed in together while you're working. And when I clean my brush, it's so matter-of-factly that it's just what's easiest and what's most effective long term. And if you clean it fast and after each little thing, wow, that's not translating, but it still is cool. This would be great. You could even make this into an apple, and this is the Wicked Witch. I'm just here to help teach you ideas and how to use your stuff. You're going to give me an inspired by Robin Moses and do your own thing. I don't want you to be just like me, but I do need you to give me credit so I can keep doing this. But you could make an apple. You can make her holding like some kind of weird, crazy thing, like spiders or roaches. Anyway, it would be cool if I made this a little smaller so that the ball looked a little bit better. But whatever, I think it's cute. Anyway, let me put a top coat on that. Pretty like it. Okay, I'm taking my own advice. I'm going to do this red. It's going to look like an apple. So I'm going to go through the nails like this. Through there. Oh gosh, it looks like a heart now. See, it can be anything. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it like that. Leave it up to interpretation. And I'll make her lip red. All right, meet you back. Okay, now here is the end result, and it's pretty terrifying when you do it like this. If you go, okay, here we go. Now, you'll never really see the color correctly or, what it does, but all I'm saying is try it. Try it and have fun with her. There's no way I'm going to get the lights right on this. Where you guys always are telling me that you're struggling with your line work and you're not getting things down as fast as you'd like to. I feel the exact same way about my cameras and my lighting here. I can never get a good picture of my art. And I don't have like a million hours to try. So anyways, I hope you guys like this. Try her and show me if you do. She can be a witch. She can be the eating an apple or a fortune teller. She can be anything you want for Halloween, and she'll be in the dark playlist, the scary nails playlist, and I'll see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye.